Hello everyone, Sam here from creativetrading.system.com, making this a small video about gold and updating what gold is doing right now. So let's get started. I will take you back a few months to show where I started the wave five, right? So I've been watching this wave three and then wave four, big one, and then at the end of wave four, then wave five start, right? So that's one, two, three, four, and then this wave five will end the bigger wave five. That's what the idea was. I have it marked here. This says question mark. And by the way, this one is October 2022, right? So what happened to this chart? That it started to go up, and this is where I said that little over three, above three, we will probably end up making or finishing the wave five, right? And this is December 2022. And then you can see here, at the same time, I started to make the weekly chart as well. The weekly chart shows this wave one, ABC two, three, then ABC four, and this is the end of wave four. And then we started to wave five to go above wave three, right? So that's the idea. Monthly and weekly, both charts telling the same thing. Now, I'm going to skip a lot of charts in between and then take you all the way to August 23 and then show that, okay, this is how we start to go up all the way and hit the high and then drop. And I said, okay, we're going to go from here after this, 1920, we're going to go up again, right? So, but then you notice that this is there's another number highlighted. It's 1802. So I said, well, we might go just from there to the upside, or may drop to 1802 and then go to the upside, right? So what exactly happened? It started to drop and then it came down and hit 1802 anyway. So after that, I said, okay, now it's gonna go to the upside. This is October 2023, and what happened to this chart? It started to go up very nicely. And this is, somewhere there is the target, right? Around 24, 25. And then you can see that we hit this again, this high on February 22. And then we broke that and then started to go to the upside. And at that point, I says, okay, this is 61%, and we might drop here first and then go to the upside, but that didn't happen, and we started to go to the upside. So this is the monthly chart I made in March 2024, right? And I says, well, this is the channel. This is 161%. This 100%. All of these numbers and mumbo jumbo pointing towards this area, which is like around 2,500, 2,600 somewhere, right? So what happened to this chart? You can see this very close to this hitting, and but we didn't hit that number, right? But we went very close, and then since then we started to drop or pull back. Now notice that I have the small now wave count here, right? So this is wave 1, 2, 3, ABC 4, and this is where we start. So right here now you see this blue count 1, 2, then we're going to end up with wave 3 and then drop a wave 4 and then wave 5, and that would be end of wave 5, right? So this is wave 1 and 2, and this represents somewhere here, and then that small wave 3 started, and then that's in the daily chart. This is the daily chart I made in May 2025, and you can see that I said, okay, this is wave 1, 2, 3, ABC 4, and then we need to come down here for wave C as a expanded flat, right? So this is the area, and below this A, it should come a little bit below this A, and that would be an expanded flat. Now notice that this was this 1 2 is actually this 1 2, this black count. Okay, and then I have 1 2 3, and then I said this is where the daily chart. Remember, this is what it is, right? So 3 and ABC 4 on the daily chart. That's what it is, right? So we're supposed to come here and finish this wave 4. So that's the chart I made. And so far, you can see how neat and clean we come in there anyway in 3 waves, like A, small b, and C. Right. Once we finish this, then we're gonna go up for wave this 5, and that will end with 3 to the upside. Then followed by that, it's gonna be like 1 2 3, then 4, and then again 5 to the upside. That would be What did I do here? The daily chart, the weekly chart. See this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That would be wave 3. So black count 1, 2, 3 will be finished that way. Then again, we're going to drop for wave 4, 38% of wave 3. And then again, we're going to go for wave 5. And that will end this wave 5, black count. Okay. So now the question is that how I'm taking the trades, right? So I had many, many trades, but only 7th today, like today was like June 7th, right? So we ended up trading, right, the week and today, Friday, June 7th. And I'm going to show only today what I did is that when it was going to the upside, let me show you. When it's from here, it started to go to the upside a little bit and then came down. So when it was going to the upside, you see that? So a couple of days, it went up. Today, it came down. So today, first, it was going to the upside earlier. And that's where I had this one on June 7th. And it started to go up. And then from here, entry. And then, 2361 to 2381. And then I closed this one, right? Because, NFP was right on the corner today. And NFP can change anything at all. And I was expecting that. So today, what happened? NFP and gold start dropping big time. And this is today's trade, June 7th, using my system and actually my expert advisor robot. And that's what it is. It took both of these trades today, going to the upside. See this little arrow? That's the entry. Buy orders right there as I'll move to break even plus. And then you can see that it also took this one here, short, and all the way here from 2354 to 2293, right? So the game is over for today, for this week. And next week, we're going to be maybe coming more down a little bit below this. And then I hope that we're going to make the turn to the upside. And then I will be all over it again, right? So I'm going to make new charts for this the next week. And I'm going to post on my Telegram for my subscriber here, right? So this is my Telegram where I post all of that. For example, see this message here, 40-minute chart making this low, and then look for a 7-minute. I posted here, right? See, and I says that we'll be looking to take 7-minute shorts if I see them. Robot is in place, right? GJ, EJ, and UJ. So I had this GJ for 95 pip, and then UJ for 65 pip. Easy peasy using my system. Actually, my robot will, it opened the trade. Now, amazingly, I mean, June and July are the slowest month of the year. But with the help of this, I have a couple of robots working, right, for me, CTS5 and the sniper. So I have some on the 7-minute chart and the other one on the 20-minute chart, right? And the beauty is that even if I'm gone, if I'm not in front of the computer, or if I'm sleeping, if the ears are on, they are taking the entries, right? So even the June being very slow month, look how many trade I have so far. Where the heck they are? Let me show you quickly. You see from here, starting from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, all this 39 trade this week. This is the best week I ever had. The best. And usually the maximum I would go probably like 27, 28 trades. So that would be the best one. But with these years, doing the amazing job. And then obviously, the trade that usually I miss, now I'm able to take them by these robots, and they open the trade even I'm sleeping or if I'm away. When I come back, I see the trades are open. Right. So only today, let me show you. Only today is like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Starting from here. Let me see this. Look, this is the gold going to the upside. Then this pound yen, 95 pip, June 7. USD yen, June 7, 65 pip, only today, Friday, June 7th. This is the gold that I just showed you. And S&P 500 coming down from here to here, June 7. Pound Aussie going to the upside, it for 80 pip, beautiful entry, but taken by the EA. And this is S&P 500 going back up again, nice and clean from 53.46 to 53.65. And this is also taken by the EA. So EA is really helping me out. And then US 30, look at that. Beauty, huh? Very, very nice setup and trades. And then one more, actually, the Euro Aussie, right? 50 pip from this one also is taken. 99% of these trades are, I do the analysis and then I drop the E on the robot on the chart because I know that this is what it is. So if it's going to go up, then I'll make it, I select the long only. Do not take the short. They take only long if you see it. So the robot, it opens the trade automatically. The targets, I select the target myself. You can, the robot has the option to select, but I don't. I leave it open because I know exactly different pairs move differently and they cover different distances. Right? You need to know that. And pound yen goes maybe 100 pip, 150 pip easy, yet euro USD not going to go even 60, 70 pip, not more than that in a day, right? So different pair, and then it depends also on where the entry is, right? So you calculate that and then you close the trade manually. So most of the time I close my trade manually. All right, but taking the trades is the EA's job nowadays, and they are working perfectly fine for me. So they are available on my website. If you want, interested to get it, then go on my website and then get it. This is where see robots. That's where they are. I also have this harmonic patterns, Elliott wave, course available there. And one-on-one coaching is right there. Monthly subscription, yearly subscription is right there. So if you like what you saw, you want to be a part of it, then come here on my website and choose whatever is suitable for you. All right. So bye for now. And don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel so that you can get some more videos that I made on time so that you can take advantage of it, because this is clearly showing to you now that somewhere here we're going to finish wave 4, and then from here to here maybe going for long and for wave 5. So you have a big opportunity coming in next week, or maybe at the end of week and next week somewhere, right? Once this wave 4 is finished. So it's probably going to finish somewhere here, and then it will roll over and then go back up again. All right. So we'll be ready for that. And this is it for now. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful, wonderful weekend.